Hello and welcome to Monday's Financial News Review. Stay tuned as Skyriss brings you the latest market news and insights to power up your week.
Netflix stock fell 2.9% last Friday to $100.24 after announcing an $83 billion Warner Bros. Acquisition that sparked investor concerns over debt and regulatory risks. Last week, the major averages logged a second straight week of gains, with the Dow Jones adding 0.5%, the S&P 500 gaining 0.3%, and the Nasdaq Composite rising 0.9%. Gold prices rose above $4,210 per ounce on Monday, after a weekly decline, as traders awaited the Federal Reserve's final policy meeting of the year. The New Zealand dollar appreciated to 58 cents, its highest level in 2 months, after the central bank signaled that it is likely done cutting interest rates. Bitcoin climbed to around $91,500 this Monday, driven by strong exchange-traded fund inflows and optimism ahead of the Fed meeting. Now let's review today's key economic events. At 4 p.m., the United States will release November's consumer inflation expectations, after 3.2% in October. Looking ahead to tomorrow's highlights. At 3:30 a.m., Australia announces its December interest rate decision, following 3.6% in November. At 7 a.m., Germany reports its balance of trade, expected to rise after exceeding €15 billion in September. And at 3 p.m., the United States will publish September job openings, after 7,227,000 in August. And don't miss the week's headline event. This Wednesday at 7 p.m., the Federal Reserve will announce its interest rate decision, widely expected to include a rate cut in response to softening labor market data.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.